Whether you're targeting residential or commercial, this video is for you. Let's break down key strategies that are going to help you find those clients quickly. First, you want to optimize your local online presence. You will do it through your website. Many will say that you don't need a website to be successful in the cleaning business. And that's correct. You don't need a website. But if you are thinking of a long-term growth, having a website is going to be very important for you to be shown on the search engines like Google. Google is going to help you put you on the top 3 results to be found easier when someone's looking for cleaning services in your area. Ways to optimize your website is to have the services that you offer, tell people about your company. Showing up on Google will attract those customers that are actively looking for cleaning services. Second is engaging in social media campaigns. If you're starting a cleaning business, as long as you are active on social media, that's going to be helpful to start. If you've had your business for a while, using social media campaigns can be helpful to attract new customers that don't know about your business. There's 2 reasons to use social media campaigns. The first reason is to bring in more leads, more customers. Second is for them to know you, to know who you are. If you have a smaller budget and you're getting started, use Yelp. It's very cost effective. They send you a lot of leads because that's where people are looking for service-based businesses. The next one is networking events and referrals. This is something that I would preach about to the day that I die. Go shake some hands, join some business groups in your area, meet some people, give them your business card, and they will know where to go when they need a cleaning service. Referrals are also fantastic. Word of mouth is a plus, so use your current clients as an opportunity to get referrals from. Collaborate with other businesses like real estate agents or other service providers. This will be a very easy way for you to get some leads from them, but also be able to reciprocate so that you guys can grow together. Number 5 is direct outreach. I'm sure you have a call list of customers that have used your service in the past. It's like a gold mine just sitting in your computer. You would be surprised of how much money is sitting there because they can be thinking about getting a cleaning service and they just forgot about you for a second. So if you call them at the right time or send them an email or even send them a text message, you will click that attraction again, and then that's where new business will come in. And now for some gold nuggets. Every time you're done with the cleaning service, when you do your follow-up, ask for those reviews. Google will show you on their top list because you will be shown as a trusted service provider in your local area. Offer a first-time cleaning discount. This will give you the opportunity to attract those new clients and get them into reoccurring business. So if you were trying to get, let's say, $300 for the cleaning service, but their budget is $225, if it's worth you putting that on your schedule because you have Monday cleared, put that on the schedule and let them know that you are doing this as a special offer, and then if you would get a review in return, it would be a win-win. These strategies will give you a competitive edge to fill in those schedules and get new cleaning jobs. So make sure you look at these steps and implement them, but also see how you can improve these steps in your business. If I gave you valuable content today, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for the next video.